Selecting the stairs architectural object from the drawing menu accesses the stairs editor. Let's now proceed by selecting the spiral staircase object. From the Properties toolbox, we can change the width, the number of risers, the tread lengths, but also the inner radius, the climb direction, and the number of treads for each full turn. A click on the drawing model links the stairs object to the mouse cursor. With the F5 or F6 function key, we can move the insert point along the object's perimeter, and with the F7 or F8 function keys, rotate it at 90-degree steps. To fix the ramp into position, simply click on the desired insert point. To overcome the height difference relative to the floor level as configured in the Floor Levels Management dialog, taking into account the number of risers, the height of the riser is automatically calculated. If we select the stairs object in 3D view, we can now change the stairs structure type, whether it be concrete, wood and steel, the geometric characteristics and materials. To complete the modeling phase, we can now click on Finish to exit the editor.